Hi guys, it's Sarah Taylor. So I'm going to do the random YouTube comment picker for the Magicfly video to see who wins the paints. So right now I'm just pasting the URL for the Magicfly paint review video, and I'm going to say filter duplicate users, and yeah, and then what we do is we go down, get YouTube comments. So now it's gonna bring in all the comments from that video. 332, thanks you guys, that's awesome. And then we go down here and start raffle and pick a random winner. So here we go. Tammy Owen, she says, I love these colors and how you used them. Thank you, Tammy. What I'm gonna do is put a comment on your comment with my email address, and you can send me your address. As long as you're in the inner 48 United States, Magicfly will go ahead and send you these paints. And if for some reason you're not, I'm gonna go ahead and pick another winner just in case Tammy is not in the US. Xena Designs, very pretty. And oh, ouch, another brand to try. All right, stay tuned guys. I'm doing another little experiment on an 11 by 14 canvas. If you want to stick around and check it out, just preparing for a large commission painting I'm doing. So stay tuned, and thank you all for your participation and for watching, and you're wonderful. Thank you. Hi guys, I'll tell you a little bit about what I'm doing here. So the client, she wants more of kind of a solid pattern on the canvas, not so much negative space. So I'm layering, that's a little bit of the cloud mix that I've been talking about, satin enamel, or it's just satin house paint with floetrol and water. And I made it kind of a pink color. And then that was Prussian blue and Payne's gray. That's some golden fluid gold, also mixed with a bit of floetrol and water and liquatex pouring medium. That's just kind of another warm color that I had floating around, Prussian blue and Payne's gray. So I like to kind of layer these into this little silicone cup and a little bit more gold. So here's the challenge for me at the moment. You know, sometimes if you have a commission job, which I love doing commission, and sometimes a commission piece will come about when you're in the middle of like a brainchild, like you're really involved in doing a certain style painting, but that's not necessarily what they want. So I want to continue to experiment with these paints, but I also want to get, she really liked this painting that I did about a year ago called Cashmere, which was, it was thick paint. It was like a multi-straight pour, like 5 cups. Different style painting than this, but she also liked my painting that was called Green Goddess, which was thinner paints, but you know, a full tilt off every corner, every side type painting. So I'm working to kind of strike a balance, and I'm going to show her obviously some samples. I showed her, I started experimenting, and I showed her the last one I did, which was called, what did I call it? It was the last video that I put up. Anyways, and she liked the colors, but she doesn't want, you know, she's not super modern, like does not want all the negative space that I've been doing lately, so. Oh, and that's the Elise Fournier injection method. I just took some of the base coat. And so I used a blue and a white base coat here. And the blue is coming off other paintings, and it's got so much of the right ingredients that I love kind of a colored base coat. I think it really adds some interest. So yeah, and this is pretty. I mean, and then I come back in on top with some cloud mix and some different colors, and yeah, just kind of playing around, trying to get a sense for what to do on this large canvas. And yeah, it's fun. You know, I love the movement and the reactions that the paints do. So all the recipes are in my collaboration video description that I did with Dwight. And that painting was named Lyric, so if you want to get some more details on what's going on here, that's a great video to watch, and I'll put that as an end screen so you can go check it out. All right, cheers you guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate all this support. It's really just fills my cup and makes me want to keep painting. So cheers to you guys, and have a great rest of your kind of holiday break or weekend. And we'll talk soon. Congratulations to the Magicfly paint winner. I will get that information over to them and they'll ship you the paints directly. All right, take care.